Hi there, students. Crew. A crew. A crew is a group of people who work together at a common activity, normally in a hierarchical organisation. There are different levels. And this word crew is particularly associated with the sea, with seafaring, with operating a ship. And a ship's crew, there's a chain of command. You have the captain and the officers and the crew, and there's a very clear hierarchy. But the word crew, it goes way beyond the maritime context. You can have the cabin crew in an aircraft, a film crew, an emergency crew, the crew of a spaceship. So the crew, it's a group of people. It's a group of people who work towards a common goal. Normally manning or operating a large piece of equipment. I guess in a factory you would have a crew as well. So a group of people working together. The different crews competed to see who cut down the most trees. The production crew for a film. Okay, so to crew, to be a member of the crew, or to find people to work in a crew. A crew member, one of the crew, was hurt in an accident. I guess in rowing, a crew, the people who row a boat. Okay, so a crew. All of the people working on a ship or a plane, the crew members, working in a crew. None of the passengers or crew were injured. The crew of the plane instructed everyone to remain seated. It's all of the people, very often except for the officers and crew. An emergency crew, a group of people with special skills working together, a group. It took the fire crew more than an hour to free them from the accident. A group of people. The people she invited to the party were a pretty motley crew, a strange mix of people of different types. Okay, yes, the crew, the team of people who row boats in a race, a member of the Cambridge crew, the commentator who said, I see that the mayor's wife is kissing the cocks of the Cambridge crew. Okay, so a group, people rowing, two different crews. Also, let's see, a crew, a gang. Very often, they use this word, a crew, to talk about a gang, street gangs. Each crew has its own tags. So a group of people working together. The emergency services, an aviation crew, a space crew, a kitchen crew in a restaurant, a construction crew, a group of friends and associates. So the crew got together for a booze up on Friday night. Okay, a group of people, a group of friends, a gang as well. So, crew, a group of people who work together. They operate a ship or an ambulance, the ambulance crew. Apart from the officers, 10 officers, a crew of 90 takes care of the people. So yeah, a group of people who work together. Let's see, crew. From Old English, crew. A recruit, military reinforcement. Originally from Latin crescere, to grow, to arise. So the ship's crew worked tirelessly to repair the engine. The film crew arrived early to set up the equipment. The flight crew prepared the cabin for landing. He joined a crew of artists and helped paint the mural. The construction crew started building the bridge. The crew of the submarine monitored the ocean currents. A crew of volunteers cleaned up the park. The film crew captured stunning footage. The crew members relied on each other for support. A crew of journalists interviewed the famous actor. The crew of astronauts trained for their mission. So crew, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. So crew, bye for now.